Today I bring you a very interesting lesson, and I'm telling you some of the Sheng words that are borrowed from Kikuyu, our language. Before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and as I always say, if you like this video, please share it. And as a reminder, there is an email address wanjirumwaorar@gmail.com in the description box. If you or any member in your family or your friend would like to learn that language, send an email to that address. It belongs to me. So again, we are looking at some of the Sheng words that are borrowed from Kikuyu, the Kikuyu language. And number one is Gife. Gife is a Sheng word that means bank. And for me, I feel like it is borrowed from Kikuyu, fegi, fegi. Only that they wrote Gife. That word is definitely borrowed from Kikuyu, from fegi, which it means the same thing, bank. And number two, we look at wera. Ati umeenda wapi? Nimeenda wera. I don't know if they say nimeenda ama nimeishia wera. So wera is a Kikuyu word. Only that they are writing as wera instead of wera, because to work, we say work is wera in Kikuyu. So when they say nimeishia wera, nikakusema dadhi wera. At number three, we have mtaratara. Guys, mtaratara is a Kikuyu word, only that you guys just removed O. So you say mtaratara, but in Kikuyu we say motaratara. Mutaratara. Order, it's order of things. Mutaratara, order of things. So kusema mtaratara, nakupeleka na mtaratara. You're saying like you're definitely speaking Kikuyu language. Number four, this word is donga. Donga yangu ama nisijini donga wangu. I don't know how they say it, but donga, like it means boss in Sheng, and so is Kikuyu getoga. So getoga, doga. Even in Kikuyu, getoga means boss. So when someone says getoga gyaku, they're trying to say like your boss. Number five, we have duda. So I'm saying it in Sheng form, like duda. Duda. So they say duda, duda. So namaanisha like manyuma. And that is also a Kikuyu word. So duda is back. Duda in Kikuyu is back. So when they say duda, we know Kikuyus know. Number six is fogoda. Fogoda in Sheng, it means like beating around the bush. So they're saying like alini fogoda, like alikuwa ananipeleka hivi hivi. But in Kikuyu, fogoda, but now fogoda in Kikuyu is written with a B instead of F, since we don't have F in Kikuyu. So fogoda is sleep talking. When you're asleep and you talk at night, ile haujuangi, you just speak but you don't know, that is fogoda. So I feel like that word fogoda obviously gotten from Kikuyu, but different meaning. Number seven, we have Keroma. Keroma in Sheng means food, and that word definitely borrowed from Kikuyu, because we say Keroma, kedogia koroma, something to bite, kedogia koroma. So Keroma is Keroma. So it's the same thing. It also means food, and I feel like there's an organ that is called Keroma. If you know, please just write it. Number eight, we have Kulola. Kulola. That feels so weird, because it means in Sheng, it means to see or to watch. But a word in Kikuyu is korora, which means kuangalia, to look. It's the same thing, to look, to watch. If I wanted to tell you like watch my child, I'll say tarora mwana wasio. So kurora is to watch, is to look. So kulola is definitely a Kikuyu word. Number nine, we have kewaru. Kewaru is a Kikuyu name, by the way. It's kewaru. Kewaru yani like a big potato. And kewaru is like I remember when we were young, we were told that when someone is very, very jealous, they feel like there's a waru passing through their neck. So like wasikia vibaya do wasikia nika wananyongwa na waru. So that was like akona kewaru. That is where that word came from. So kewaru is a Kikuyu name. Number 10, we have mokoro. Nasemanga mokoro ama mokoro. Mokoro means mom, like mokoro. Some people call, like, I don't know why in Kikuyu land, when men get older, they rarely call their mothers mami. So they, like, you know, like when we were young, you can call your mom mami. They call them maito or mokoro. I don't get it. What happens? What happens to that relationship? So that mokoro is mom, or like an elder woman. It means old, actually. Mokoro. You can say muduri mokoro for an old man. And that is it for this video. I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. And for the record, I'm not saying it's bad that they borrowed our words. It's good to know that our words can be used everywhere. I hope this was a fun video for you. Thank you so much for watching. I am the village girl, or call me Wanjiro. See you next time. Wait, don't forget to subscribe, and remember, I'm everywhere. I'm in all social media platforms, so I'm going to put the links in the description box. Bye.